Welcome to TechMaya channel. This is Madesh, licensed Android developer. As this is my first video on TechMaya channel, I'm going to take you all for a short journey on Microsoft Windows 10. Okay, without wasting time, let's go into the video guys. First, let's know the basic of Windows 10. Windows 10 is a Microsoft operating system for personal computers, tablets, embedded devices, and Internet of Things devices. The features of Windows 10 are new Start menu. Microsoft has brought back the Start menu. Now, when you click on the Start button at the bottom left of the screen, you get two panels side by side, with the left column showing pinned, recently, and most common used tab. You also get a power button at the top for options such as Hibernate, Standby, and Shutdown, while the right column features a selection of live tiles that you can customize, resize, and reorganize. Plus, you can have the start menu expand to full screen also whenever you want, eliminating the needs for modern UI start screen. The second feature is Cortana integration. Windows 10 will bring Microsoft's voice control digital assistant Cortana to desktop computers to make it easier for you to interact with your device without lifting a finger. You will be able to search your hard drive for specific files, pull up photos from specific dates, or launch PowerPoint presentation just by saying your PC to do so. You can even get Cortana to send an email while you are working on a spreadsheet, making multitask much easier. The third feature is virtual desktops. Unless you have multi-monitor setup, it can be easy to run out of screen space. For that reason, Windows 10 provides multiple desktops that you can work in and quickly switch between them. The virtual desktops feature in Windows 10 is called Task View and is located on the taskbar. To add a desktop, all you need to do is click the plus sign. You create multiple desktops and switching between them is just a matter of clicking the Task View button again and moving your mouse over the thumbnail of the one you want. Once the workspace is displayed above, click on it and start using it. Fourth, the Xbox app. The Xbox app first displays your activity feed, which features the activities of all your Xbox Live friends. The right side of the app displays a friends list, and selecting one gives you opportunity to view clips of their game or send an instant email. In addition, you can see a list of your own achievements and edit your profile also. Fifth, improved multitasking. Microsoft also update its Snap View multitasking feature to let you dock windows to the four corners of your screen, while you could split your display while using many apps. The universal apps. To make transaction across device more easier, Microsoft is introducing a new category of software called universal apps, which uses the same code but adapts their interface to the device in your hand. Microsoft is also building its own set of universal apps with the OS including photos, videos, music, maps, and people messaging, mailing, and calendar, which all function the same way on tablet, phones, and PC. Seventh, Office apps get touch support. A new version of Office app such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook will provide a touch-first interface across phones, tablets, and PCs. The app will look and perform the same way on a PC as they do on a mobile device for a more coherent experience. 8. Continuum. With the rise of hybrid laptop tablet devices, Microsoft want to make it easier to switch between either mode. The system will detect if you are plugged in a keyboard or mouse and switch modes for a more convenient interaction between you and the computer. If you remove the mouse or keyboard, a notification will pop up from the taskbar at the bottom asking if you want to activate tablet mode. When you do, you are greeted with more touch-friendly profile. Dock your tablet into keyboard again. You will receive the same prompt, this time asking if you want to exit tablet mode. Ninth, Action Center. Windows 10 will provide a new way to look at all your notifications at one place. The Action Center appears to replace the Charms menu that slides in from the right on Windows 8 devices. It collects alert from your device from all your apps similar to the notification drawer in iOS and Android. Depending on the app, you can also respond or react from this panel itself, with each notification expanding to show more actions. The Action Center also offers a quick way to toggle connectivity option and other settings such as display brightness and contrast. The last but not the least, 10th, solidified settings. Instead of having two apps to control your device settings in control panel and PC settings, Microsoft is making less confusing by bringing them together into one. You will be able to manage your device from one place instead of hunting for a specific menu. Basic requirement: an internet connection to download the 2 and Windows 10 image. Sufficient data storage available on computer when you are clean installing it. Note that download an image is over 3 GB. These are the basic requirements for installing Windows 10 on a PC. If your device doesn't meet these requirements, you may not have the great experience needed with Windows 10 and might want to consider purchasing new PC. System requirements to install or update Windows 10. Processor 1 GHz or faster compatible processor or system on a chip SoC. RAM 1 GB for 32-bit or 2 GB for 64-bit. Hard drive size 32 GB or large hard disk. Graphic card compatible with DirectX 9 or later with WDDM 1.0 driver. Display 800 into 600 resolution. Internet connection. Internet connectivity is necessary to perform updates and download and take advantage of some features. Space requirements to install or update Windows 10. The size of Windows operating system that comes with your device and the amount of space needed to download and install Windows update are highly variable as they depend on variety of factors. Installing Windows or updating from a previous version of Windows on a device with less than 32 GB storage will continue to work if the device has enough free space available. Some extras about Windows Hello. Windows Hello requires a camera configured for near infrared IR imaging or fingerprint reader for biometric securities. Devices without biometric sensor can use Windows Hello with a PIN or portable Microsoft compatible security key. This is our team. Thank you guys. Hope you like it.